Hello again, people. It's me, Blunt Ted. It's another episode from Blunt Ted Talks. First of all, thank you very much for hitting the button. Second of all, can you please go hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop us a comment, let me know what you think, as always. So yeah, last few days there's been a lot of shit going off in the media. All the press have been out talking about the Newcastle United takeover, just basically putting the mockers on it for the Newcastle fans. Like myself personally, I lost confidence that the takeover was happening in this last week. You know, it just doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. However, today there is some news that, for me, it's just speculation once again. Don't take this as gospel. This is just my thoughts on the situation. But today it's been announced that the director of Bein Sports is actually being taken to court in Switzerland on September the 14th for bribery of, or bribery, should I say, for World Cup TV broadcasting rights. This guy was fucking letting somebody stay in a villa in, I think, Porto for 2 years, between 2014 and 2015, in exchange for, not for the TV rights directly, because that would be traceable and would be ridiculous, but for favour when it comes to making decisions for broadcasting rights and such, not for Bein Sports. So, to connect the dots with that, with what's going on at Newcastle United, the fact that they sacked off Bein Sports the other week, the Saudis did, and it left people speculating and not having a clue what's going on. But I think today's news shows the reason why they sacked him off. Obviously, they're going through this owners and directors test currently, and they're trying to move away from any kind of corrupt behaviour. I mean, this is criminal proceedings that's taking place for this guy. Actual criminal proceedings, you know, it's criminal. So yeah, they want to get away from that type of shit. So it would make perfect sense that they're going to sack off Bein Sports. They obviously knew about it. The Premiership have known about it. Behind the scenes, everybody knew about what was going on. But as the fans, we didn't have a clue, so all we could do was speculate. But as I said, for me now, I feel like this is why they've sacked off Bein Sports. So it feels like, it does feel like it's a step in the right direction once again for the takeover to happen. You know, I mean, if it is connected, you know, I'm not saying it's gospel that it is, but if it is connected, then does that mean that this takeover thing will drag on until September the 14th or long after that, when a decision actually comes out in court on what's going to happen to the guy? I certainly hope not. I'd just like to think that now they've moved away from Bein Sports completely, there is literally no other hurdles to come across other than they don't want it to happen. But that's going to lead to a massive court case for the Premiership themselves, because the Saudis ain't going to sit down and take that. So it's a messy one, people. It's a messy one. I'm not going to say that it's not, and I'm not saying that the shit's going ahead 100%, because, you know, my confidence is still low on the situation. However, it was a little bit of a boost to hear that today. So yeah, that's my feelings on it. So what are you guys thinking? Am I talking shit? Have I got it wrong? Have I missed the detail out? I'm not saying that I am the king of all the information, man. I'm just reading stuff the same as you guys are and trying to make head and tail of it. So please, if you think I'm wrong on something, just tell me, because I like to learn as well. I can learn from you guys, as well as you guys can click on me and watch me talk shit for 5 minutes. So yeah, that's the end of the video anyway. As you know, it's me, Blunt Ted. It's been another episode of Blunt Ted Talks. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop us a comment letting us know, or letting me know what you think about the news today. I can't speak properly. It's all gone wrong. Been in the sun. It's kind of hot. So yeah, that's it. Blunt Ted.